Welcome back to It's New. I'm sorry for being in a different location. It's not being consistent to me. It's not so awesome.
But you are awesome.
I don't know about that. Any event, I'm covering search ranking volatility, which is consistent, Search Console delays, which has been going on for a while, Search Console news feature with AI Power Configurator, and a brand new thing called social channels and insights. Morty, what do you got for us?
Please, sir, can I have some more?
And Anu?
Yeah, Google Merchant Center has some new pricing features.
And Greg.
And SEOs may be animated over a new ads change.
All right. So got a lot to discuss. Search ranking volatility. Yes, this past weekend. I'm just going to stop right there because you know what I'm going to say. A lot of ranking volatility. Moving on to the next thing is Search Console is still super delayed, which is driving a lot of SEOs and website owners very, very crazy. If you go to the search performance report and you click into the data, now it's like 42 hours. It'd be like 40 to 50 hours delayed. And the page indexing tool is still not, anytime. It's just still delayed. It's just insane. But good thing we have is this new AI Power Configurator, which lets you go ahead and ask Google in Search Console to create a report for you. And it uses its AI to use the same tools that you could use to create a report just in case you didn't want to use the filters. Thing is, again, the report is incredibly delayed. So I don't know if it matters. All the SEOs are like, I'd rather have the data than have a tool to try to create a report for me with the basic filters that we all have already. So this is not like Ads Advisor where it would actually create a report and then take actions and stuff like that or give you recommendations. It just will try to create a report for you. And it also has a disclaimer that make sure to review the report because it might do the wrong thing and it might give you the wrong information. So super useful, but it's pretty cool. If you look at what it could do and so forth, it might be useful to some people. And then this morning, Google announced that Search Console Insights now lets you bring in your social channels like YouTube, TikTok, which Morty likes to do, Instagram, and so forth, directly into that Insights report to gain data from that as well. So a lot of new Search Console features, which is probably why everything is delayed. Everybody's like, oh, the ranking volatility, and Google's going to announce a core update, and that's why Search Console is delayed. No, has nothing. Search Console's reporting has nothing to do with delays there and issues there. Has nothing to do with what's going on with search rankings themselves. But the delays could be because of all these new tools that Google is releasing in Search Console, in my opinion. There, that was very quick. 2.5 minutes of 4 stories.
Wow. I mean, I feel like rank volatility forces delays in airplanes, all sorts of things. But
it's true.
Pretty sloppy.
Sloppy. That's a good transition you got there.
Yeah. So this is, I don't know where to start with this. Probably the please can I have some more from Oliver when he gets served slop. It's an old reference. Very, very old.
An old reference from you, Morty?
Yeah,
Morty,
like,
what was your
old, like super old.
What was your Spotify age again, Morty? Can you refresh the audience?
68
years old. 25.
Which is worse?
No, 68.
No,
100%.
No, you're 100% wrong.
No.
Oh, I love that.
You should be.
That's what these old people are trying to be young.
You need to get back in the game, Morty. We need to bring you into the 2000s.
Never. I'd rather be dead. Anyway, so what else happened was Business Insider posted a post that they're using a custom GPT to create content.
Don't you like how they didn't say AI like a lot? They just said GPT, custom GPT.
It's AI. It's basically AI written content. It'll be disclaimed. The author will be
custom GPT.
One thing that I love is just whenever I think of insider information, I don't think of humans. I don't think of leaks. I think of AI. This is going to be great.
This is absolutely, their content is already kind of hanging in there for dear life.
Yeah, they put hit pieces out to stay afloat.
I don't know what people are thinking like long term. I understand the immediate knee-jerk reaction to doing this. Obviously, oh yeah, we gotta get out, get more content. That was a sub-story in Barry's article about more AI slop on Reddit. But first off, this is not what people are actually looking for. And God bless Google, they actually do talk about this and they do say things like Liz Reed was talking about, people are going to podcasts and user-generated video content. Google does kind of get it.
And it is the opposite of an insider.
It's
You
obviously
need to
correct.
have different content that is publicly
right.
available on the internet.
Greg
to
has
be
woken up.
able to be an actual insider. You have NFL
So-
insiders that are
That's
like Adam
right.
Schefter. They have
Imagine
GMs.
this content was written, so like instead of Adam Schefter, ESPN was AI writing his content, and the author was an NFL insider.
All right, so this is, I mean, they disclaim this. This is basically only for to help publish quick news stories without any, I guess, insight. They didn't say quick news stories don't have insider information. So they have to I don't know why they bother. They shouldn't really post quick news stories if they want to post insider information.
Change your name then.
Outsider.
Business
Yes.
Outsider. Love it.
By the way, using a GPT, aren't they just taking whatever like the Times of India is rewriting it? Is rewriting that? I don't understand.
Oh my God. Yeah, it's insane. Anyway, let's go on to the ad side.
All right.
I know.
Yeah, sure. So now Google is testing a new shopping ads beta that lets merchants show region-specific loyalty prices. So that should help, retailers localize your promotions. Merchants must join Google's loyalty add-ons to set up regions in Merchant Center and add loyalty program attributes, like loyalty underscore programs, kind of like structure, including the program label, tier, and price to their regional inventory feed. So when a shopper clicks an ad, Google will append a region ID to the URL, and the Merchant Center's landing page must be dynamically showing the matching member price. So yeah, nice like dynamic feature there for localized pricing for those doing shopping. So yeah, that should be fun.
It's pretty interesting. All these like regulations and rules, and then you have somebody on the other side of the ads team going ahead and creating these animated like sliding images. It's like wild. Like one team is wild, one team is like really boring and like rule based.
Thankfully, I'm on the wild side here on ads because Spotted in the Wild by Karl-Heinz Forschager. I did my best, guys. On that one. I
You really
my
did.
best.
I'm so confident too.
He had done a search for something that looked like the Jungle Chomp. And an ad came, had been displayed, and then there's this little image that comes shooting in from the side. It's just like a little slide left in your Google Slides or Microsoft PowerPoint, kind of slide in there. The text moves over and kind of turns into a smaller column. It is a very visible element, I would say, especially with this new ad unit that we've been talking so much about. Again, nobody's been able to really replicate it. I can't replicate it. Barry said you couldn't. But this is a pretty, I would say, visible change with actual animations and ads. And I would assume, what does this mean? If this test is rolling out to you, or if it does roll out in full, I would assume your click-through rates are going to go up in your ads and down in your organic.
Yeah. And if you ever want a classic Google animation, just do the search for Cha-Cha Slide and have fun with that. All right.
Morty probably knows that one. Morty, that's from like the 50s.
I'm not a big dancer.
Oh, you are?
No, I'm a tiny dancer.
Oh, can we see a little cha-cha slide for the audience? Right? It's like cha to the left.
Oh my god! Oh my
Cha
god!
to the right.
Oh my god! What's
Now the
happening?
two-step now. Yeah.
All right. We're going to end that off. We just probably lost like 15 subscribers right there. Bye.
People actually died.